Hey, it's me, Karina, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So, welcome to my closet. Today, as I sit in my closet, I thought I would kind of switch up the filming background. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick, like 5-minute, if that, simple, sleek, slicked back, low bun, whatever you want to call it. Fashion models are wearing this bun, celebrities are wearing this bun. It's super easy, it looks well put together and classy, and it's so easy to do. So let's go make a bun. If you guys have been following me for a while, or any of you who follow me on Instagram, you'll know that this is like a go-to for me. I wear this almost 5 days a week, I would say. I only wash my hair like twice a week, so therefore I'm not constantly doing it and frying it. I'm trying to grow my hair out. Actually, I grew out all the blondes. This is all my natural color, except for that, as you can see. But this is such a classic look. You can do it when your hair is in any condition, and it just looks so well put together and pretty, and really brings out the features on the face. So my motto for this sleek bun is the greasier the better.
Okay.
So if your hair is greasy and oily like mine is, as you can see, so the greasier the better. The natural oils of your hair will help slick it all back. It's actually better to do this bun if you have like 2-day-old hair, because then there's like the oils are all, you know, soaking through the hair follicles and whatnot. My hair is like super healthy up here because it's growing in, but then it's a little bit frizzy and dry down here by the ends, which I am still trimming them, but I'm trying to grow my hair out. So doing this sleek bun and living in this sleek bun will help grow your hair long so that you can take it out. And that's what my hair looks like naturally, basically. I think, when did I wash it? I washed my hair, I washed it on Friday, and it's Monday now. So this is a good time to show you the sleek bun routine. So what you're gonna need, is that my package? No. Okay. So what you're gonna need is a hairbrush, one of these little, what do they call these? I don't even know. It's like a lot of little, it's like lots of bristles. Ooh, mine's kind of dirty, so don't mind that. Ooh. Looks like this. Oh, mine's really dirty, so just ignore that. I think I either got this at Sally's, CVS, or Ulta. Actually, I think I got this at Ulta. It's really dirty. I should probably get a new one. But anyway, I got this at Ulta, and it's just a little thin bristled brush. I don't know what these are called, but there's a lot of bristles so that you can easily just flatten the hair. So this is called Donna, and it's number 9222. I don't know if that plays a part, I guess it does, but I also use this for my brows sometimes. And it just like, I find these types of brushes like literally get through every hair and just comb it flat, which I like. So anyway, you're gonna need a hairbrush, one of these, or you can use a toothbrush. If you don't have one of these, don't worry, just use a toothbrush. I was gonna say use an old toothbrush, but then I'm like, that's kind of gross. Whatever. Okay, so if you don't have one of these, you can use one of these. No big deal, but I'm going to just use these today. And then this is my little pomade I like to use if I'm like gonna slick down some baby hairs, which I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. I might just do the bun and then save the baby hair tutorial for like sleeking of the baby hair tutorial for another video. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna use, and let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, I like to, now there's obviously quite a few ways to do this. I like to start with just like brushing out my hair so that it's completely tangle free and it's just kind of like, you know, smooth and ready to work with. I'm ready to be sleeked. So, okay. I always brush my hair back like this. Now, depending if you want a part, no part, middle part, side part, high bun, low bun, whatever you want. You gotta try to figure that out because there's so many different ways to do this. I think I am going to do, I'm gonna just do a regular middle part, low bun. And just do that for now because I tend to do this one the most. I tend to just part my hair the side of the middle. So then once you made the part, and now what I like to do is start to form your ponytail by brushing underneath. This bump is smoothed out. And I'm just going to form it like that. Okay. So now you can just put your ponytail in like that. Now, the one thing I've realized over the years, this is just what I do, obviously you don't have to do this, but you know when you put your ponytail elastic in and then you want to pull it tight? Well, so for this, you don't want to pull it tight because then it's going to cause a bunch of bunching and like I can already feel a little bit of uneven right there. So let's just go ahead and fix that now. Pomade, and you just need the smallest bit of this. Mine's like pretty much empty, but you really don't need much. So I'm just going to scoop out what I can. There is still some on this brush too from before, so all right, so then you just want to take it right at the root and slick it back as under here. Sometimes these hairs sneak away, so I always brush up there as well. So then you see all that happening, so I take it out. This is just how I do it. You guys don't have to do it like this. And then you want to rebrush just near the bottom where the elastic is gonna go. Okay. Okay. So now we have our ponytail. Our hair is sleeked. There's no knots. I don't think so. I mean, tell me if there is, you guys. But okay, so now for my bun today, you can obviously just use a regular elastic and do it, or you can use a scrunchie, and I like to use the scrunchies just because I find I can throw it in so quickly and it holds super tight. It doesn't budge. You honestly don't even need an elastic making a ponytail if you use a velvet scrunchie, which velvet scrunchies are the plug. Don't tell anyone, but because they're selling out everywhere, but they are so good. I got this like a couple years ago, and I'm pretty sure I got it from Claire's. And I've been going back there to try to find more velvet scrunchies so I can get more colors, but they just don't seem to have them. I'm gonna have to order them on Amazon or something, but there's something about velvet scrunchies that are just way better than the rest.
Okay.
Anyway, so now I take my ponytail and I just start wrapping it and twisting it. So as you can see, it's in a twist like that. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see. Now hold the ponytail, wrap it around, wrap it around. It doesn't have to be perfect because any flyaway hairs you can tuck in the scrunchie. Now I only do it 2 times like that.
And there's my bottom. So I only wrap mine 2 times and it stays pretty, yeah. So now just for the finishing touches, I'm gonna go back in with my pomade. My empty pomade. I'm trying to get something out of it. And then I just like to touch up the areas at the top to really just add that sleek and shine. Just like where the hairline is most predominant. So then I just go underneath and brush these little hairs up here. All right guys, so that is my quick and easy sleek bun hair tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. It'll help me a lot in the future. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, letting me know if you prefer to do a low sleek bun or a high sleek bun. Yeah, let me know which one you guys do. Yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at itskarinaonly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.